Video number 4. Easy Guide to Creating YouTube Shorts. Fortunately, anyone on YouTube can make a short, so creators don't have to worry about that kind of limitation. That just leaves 3 things to demystify, which are how to create, upload, and analyze the performance of YouTube Shorts. Let's find out easy steps to create YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts Beta, the basics. Open the YouTube mobile app and look for the plus button at the bottom of the home page. If you have access to Shorts Beta, you'll see an option to create a short. By default, you can record for 15 seconds using the Shorts camera. Tap the 15 above the record button to switch to 60 seconds. To the left of the record button, tap the square button outlined in white. This allows you to post videos from your camera roll rather than record something new. The next thing you'll see is a video editor, which allows you to trim the recording. Clicking Next at the top right corner of the screen takes you to the fun editing tools. Motion controls and special effects you've probably seen on TikTok. What to do if you don't have Shorts Beta? You don't need Shorts Beta to upload a short, but you do need it to access Shorts editing features. Right now, the beta version is available to creators in the US and India. If you're outside of those regions, you can still post a short by making a vertical video under 60 seconds. Post it the way you would a normal YouTube video, and the platform will automatically recognize it as a short. How to record a YouTube short. There are 3 features that make shorts super easy to record: the flip function, the speed function, the video timer. As you record, you'll see these options along the right side of the screen. The flip function is at the top, and it's exactly what it sounds like. Use this option to switch from your phone's front-facing camera to the back camera, and vice versa. You can record a fast-moving or slow-motion video using the speed function. Tap the speedometer for a menu of options ranging from 0.3 times to 3 times, with 0.3 times being the slowest and 3 times being the fastest. Keep in mind that 0.3 times doesn't create a smooth, slow-motion video. The graphics are a little choppy and somewhat blurred. The video timer is an amazing feature for recording brief videos. It's the last option and looks like a standard clock. Tap that icon to set a recording duration. The maximum is 15 seconds. You can also set a timer that counts down the seconds before recording. You can choose between a 3, 10, and 20-second countdown. Starting and stopping the recorder, 2 methods. When you're ready to make a short, you have 2 options for stopping and starting the video. The first method is tapping the red button to start and then tapping the stop button when you're done. For the second method, press and hold the record button and then release it to finish the recording. You can record as many scenes as you'd like, if there are a maximum of 60 seconds combined. Each scene is marked by a white bar on the video timeline at the top of the screen. If you make a mistake, tap the backward arrow in the bottom left corner to remove a scene. Likewise, you can tap the forward arrow in the bottom right corner to re-add a scene you've deleted. Adding music and text to YouTube Shorts. The best part of creating shorts is the TikTok, Instagram appeal of adding music. YouTube has partnered with music labels to make sure popular songs can be added in short videos. As a creator, you won't get a copyright claim or strike for using music in your content, especially if you're adding songs via Shorts Beta. The text feature is a nice add-on. It helps viewers quickly understand jokes, memes, or the educational value of a short. How to add music to a short before you record. Tap the plus icon on the home page of the YouTube app. Near the bottom of the screen, select Create a Short. Tap Add Music at the top of the screen. Use the search bar to find and browse music tracks. On the right side of the screen, you can add favorite tracks to save for later. When you find the right track, tap it once to hear a preview. Then tap the blue button with a black arrow to add the music to your short. YouTube will take you back to the record screen. Press the red button to start recording and the music will play as you film. You can dance to the beat of the track or do something entirely different. It's up to you. Record your short and advance to the next screen. tap Music in the bottom left corner, shown below. Use the search bar once again to find, browse, and preview music. Tap the blue button with a black arrow to add the track to your short. The music won't sync perfectly, so you'll have to do some editing. Tap Adjust at the bottom of the screen to choose the exact portion of the song you need. Then you can slide the entire track to the right position, making it sync with your movements or other action in the video. How to add text to YouTube Shorts. Have you used Instagram or YouTube Stories? The text controls for Shorts work the same way. Record your short and advance to the next screen. Tap Text in the bottom left corner. Use your mobile keyboard to type a short message. Change the color of your text or its highlighted background using the color palette above your keyboard. Change the font of your text at the top center of the screen. Give your text a background using the A symbol in the top left corner. To the left of that, tap the paragraph icon to switch between centered or justified text. Use the slider on the left of the screen to shrink or expand the text. How to upload a YouTube short. When you're finished adding music and text to your short, click Next in the top right corner of the screen. The next thing you'll see is the video details screen. Here you have 3 tasks to complete. Give your short a title. Set the video's visibility to public, unlisted, or private. Public. Anyone can search for the video and view it. Unlisted. Anyone with the link can view the video. Private. Only people you choose can view the video. Schedule your video to publish in the future, if desired. Select an audience for the video, make for kids or not, made for kids or not made for kids. Tap Upload in the top right corner. Adding a video description and tags to your short. As of now, you must add video descriptions and tags after a short is uploaded. Here's how to do that. Go to the YouTube homepage and tap Library in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap your videos. Tap the video you want to edit and tap the 3 dots beside it. On the menu that appears, select Edit. On the next screen, you can add a description and tags. Thumbnails are a bit tricky. You need to use a desktop computer or the YouTube Studio app to add thumbnails to your shorts. Making a YouTube short is a smart way to diversify your content. But will shorts really benefit your channel? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.